Okay, hello and welcome to an experiment. Today I will start building my first ever actual bit of furniture. I already got the pieces sold from the hardware store, and you see that I'm using these boards which have a rough surface, and I want to paint it afterwards so it looks nice. So first thing I'm gonna do is kind of sand these down a bit, and I think that I shouldn't sand these down first, but maybe I should first fill the holes. And in order to fill the holes, I will use some ready-made filling paste and items and see what happens. So I changed the angle of this video a bit so you can see what I'm doing, not that it's gonna be all that interesting. I'm really selling this, right? So if you ever do this yourself, maybe just take regular wood that is not a pressed together thing, because that will save you a lot of work. I mean, these boards are cheaper, but they also require more action. And depending on how much of this filling paste I need to put on these, they are not even cheaper. Like I said, I did not actually think this through properly, so I need to fix what I've got and just get this nice and smooth. Now, this is even less fun than I thought. So that is one board kind of done on one side. So I'm now going to do the rest and you don't have to watch. So now I'm done getting every board done on both sides. I wish I could have just fast forwarded to this, because it ceased to be fun pretty much soon after I started. It's not perfect, but I hope it's good enough. And now I'm going to do what I actually had planned to do, which is fill these things so that they will be smooth. But I'm also only going to fill the bits that will be visible afterwards. And valuable life lesson learned: don't buy this kind of board again. Next project, just plain wood. I bought this mostly because it was the only thing they had in a in 15 millimeters strength, and I didn't want to change the measurements, and seriously, it would have been easier to change the measurements. Note to self, not a good idea. So, and of course I'm gonna let you watch one of these things, but I'll let you watch with the shortest line I have to do, so you're not getting super bored. Also, it's I'm nearing the end of the tube of material. Seriously, this is all the stuff that I had not thought I would have to be doing. And if you wonder, man, why doesn't she just ditch the boards and get herself some just plain wooden boards? If this is so much work, then the answer is, one, this is what I have, and I kind of want to use what I have now, because I wouldn't know what to do with these things otherwise. And the other reason is that it is quite possible that I will run into yet more unexpected hurdles, and my first try ends up being just an interesting art installation. So I'm using this as a training object. If it turns out fine, but if it just teaches me what to do and how to make it properly, then I can use all the knowledge I'm acquiring here with the next try for which I then would buy just plain wood boards, but basically I want to know what else goes wrong before I buy different boards, because otherwise I will be constantly buying boards, I feel. Okay, so now behind me are all the wooden boards. You can probably see where there's a lot of white, that means there was a dent. I will have to sand this all tomorrow. Now that all this is done for now, I can go inside and have some dessert. So now I have the boards as far as I'm gonna get them today. If I get up early enough tomorrow, I shall do the sanding. Bye bye.